worksheet and make it into an editable worksheet and upload it in Google Slides. Now we have come back to where we are going to make our assignment, and this has automatically saved in here. If I click this, it says untitled presentation, but it's going to open up as our nouns worksheet, which we made with an option for children to work on here. So let's just close all these extra tabs and just go back to our class. Now we are back into our class room, but we need to make sure that students can not just view the file, they can also work on it. So make a copy for each student before you go here to assign it. But since we did not give this any title, it's not going to give us the option. So I'm going to give the title nouns. Now you can see that the assign has been highlighted, and we're just simply going to either save as draft or schedule it or assign it. So we will assign it, and our work has gone into the classroom. Now my assignment is here on my stream. Once the students click on this, their noun worksheet is right here visible for them to work on. They will work on their nouns worksheet, then go back to their classwork and press turn in or mark as done, or the work needs to be attached, whatever they have worked in their Google Slides.